How can I speed up Terminal.app or iTerm on Mac OS? Every time I launch either iTerm or Terminal after not using it for a few hours, it takes anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds to return a prompt. The screen is blank, and although I can type, I can't actually run any commands. If I quit either application, subsequent launches, if done relatively soon thereafter, are quite fast. The slowness only seems to occur if the app wasn't running for a few hours. I'm running OS 10.5.7 on a MacBook Pro. I have the exact same setup on another computer, with no slowdowns. Any ideas how to speed things up again?
Try deleting the Apple system log files in /var/log/asl/. This did the trick for me. Another tip might be helpful. Change startup shell from default /user/bin/login to /bin/bash-l or /user/bin/zsh if you use zsh. That might make your Terminal/iTerm2 launch in light speed. For Terminal, preferences startup, change from default login shell to command /bin/bash-l. For iTerm2, preferences profiles general command, change from login shell to command /bin/bash-l.
Am I required a certain reputation to comment on posts? Anyway, clearing the system logs did it for me as well, thanks. I've tried to patch path_helper with the patch here, just.github.com/123525, as suggested in a comment on this URL, referenced earlier in this thread, but to no avail. I get a cryptic error. However, that patch should speed up Terminal.app launch. Addition, as I mentioned, clearing the logs did the trick for me, but the problem continues to emerge as the logs continuously grow bigger after I've removed them. I found that tweaking /etc/asl.conference has given me a more permanent solution. The modification is to log only messages that are categorized as critical or more critical than that, as opposed to logging notice category and every more critical than that. Also, I disregard messages from FTP, mail, local 0, local 1. Here's a piece of my /etc/asl.conference.
From an article I read a couple weeks ago, slow opening terminal windows. /user/libexec/path_helper is terribly slow at loading /etc/paths if you remove all the entries and /etc/paths and ensuring that those items are available in your .bash_profile, this will resolve the issue. It did for me anyway.